Prime time, kids. Inna Allaha faliqul habbi wan nawa. Indeed, Allah is the cleaver of grain and date seeds. Assalamu alaikum! Today something amazing happened, and it all started with tiny seed. How can something this dry ever become a plant? It's so small, so dry. How can this ever become a plant? If Allah splits the seed, I want to see how. Mama, look what I found. Can we do an experiment to see how Allah brings life from this?
Of course. Allah shows us big miracles in tiny things. Let's watch one together. First, take this soft cotton. Now put your bean in the middle and add just a few drops of water, not too much.
All ready? Bismillah.
Now we wait and see Allah's miracle.
Nothing yet. Still just a dry bean. Wait, is that a tiny crack? Mama, come look.
Yes, Dani, the seed is opening. Allah is giving it life.
Subhanallah! A little white root came out. It's growing. It's really growing. Allah split the seed just like the ayah said.
You see, Dani, the seed looked dry and lifeless, nay, but Allah placed life inside it.
Allah brings life from something dry. That's amazing.
Every plant, every tree, every fruit starts with Allah splitting a tiny seed.
Grow strong, little seed. Allah is taking care of you. Oh, if you ever see a seed, remember the miracle inside it. Allah is the one who gives life to everything. And that was my little seed miracle. Stay curious, little explorers. If you like my science and Quran tales, please like and subscribe my channel. Prime time, kids.